Hi, it's me, Nancy, today. Now I'm going to cut these. See, I have placed everything that's going to be dark together. Now, glass has to be cut straight, or it could take curved lines. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them all over here, like this. And then I'm going to cut one curve. Make sure my oil comes out there. Okay, well, it's not coming out, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the curve like that. But first I'm going to go put some oil on it. Which means we have to go to the art room. The art room is an even bigger mess than most of the house. Do you want to buy that picture? Just let me know. Okay, so oil. There is a little container of oil here somewhere. There we go. Glass cutter oil. See, I made that once. Isn't it cool? Also made that little guy. This is the box for getting rid of stuff from in there. Oh my goodness, the dump is going to be open in a minute. Or maybe it's already open. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to cut around this. I took too big a piece. Alright, now I need my breakers. Where the jeepers? I'm not prepared in here at all to do this. That's okay. Let's just go back there now. Did you hear the glass making that little sound when I ran the cutter across it? That's important. But you don't have to push hard. Okay, so glass cutting tools. I didn't know I had another bit. Excellent work. Okay. Where are my tools? A definite space situation here. Well, maybe I took them over there already. This is my soldering iron, which I shall need. I have braking tools. Alright, I guess I'll need these later. But where are my tools? My glass cutters. Hump. Guess I gotta go figure it out. Bye.